So the last part of our cleaning and maintenance protocols deal with hard surfaces. For us at Ecore, hard surfaces really have two different big groupings. A lot of our general vinyl flooring is what you would find in our basic hard surfaces. These are products like Bounce in a lot of your group fitness or in some of your kind of lightweight or cardio areas. And then also our product Spectator, which is also synonymous with a lot of the LVT products that are very common in some of the common areas or non-kind of fitness kind of oriented type applications within your spaces. Because what's typically prominent in these types of hard surfaces is very robust PUR coatings and types of incorporated coatings that allow those products to be cleaned very easily. That's what makes them very dynamic in group fitness, is the ability for those surfaces to be cleaned very actively throughout the day on a very, very frequent basis. What that also allows is surfaces that are easily maintained over time. One sidebar within our hard surfaces is some of these more specialty type surfaces that we offer. Typically those are going to be found in locker rooms or wet areas, bathrooms. So what you'll see is a very interesting protocol within our hard surfaces that's really dedicated towards these specialty areas to do a much more robust restorative type cleaning in those applications.
Now we're talking about our cleaning and maintenance of our vinyl flooring products. These floors are very easy to maintain. What we recommend, again, is using the E-cleaner. You pre-spray, you treat the area, and you go over it with a microfiber mop like I have here. One of the unique things about these floors in group fitness areas is that they are very easy to clean and maintain. For instance, in this setting, we would clean on a more frequent basis than we would because of the system we have here. Now, on surfaces like this, cleaning does remove topical dirt, bacteria, contaminants on the surface. This is different from disinfecting, but this cleaning process that we're recommending here at Ecore will help clean and maintain this floor in between disinfecting services. All right, so here we are in a typical bathroom, and this is our flooring called Aqueous. This is used in restrooms, locker rooms, spaces like that. What you see below me here is your typical walk behind, ride behind cleaner. That's hard to get in these deep places, but you can see the line. So what we're going to show you now, similar to the other flooring we did out in the fitness center, is our floor machine. But instead of attaching a black pad like we did out there, we're going to be attaching a soft bristle brush, still using the E-cleaner that we use in the fitness center, but now we're going to use it on this floor here to show you the impact it has. The procedures for restorative cleaning on our safety floors is starting by using the E-clean. Again, read the back label to figure out what the dilution ratio is depending on how dirty the surface is. We're going to start by pre-spraying that product onto the floor, and then we're going to go over it with our floor machine and our soft brush attachment. The reason we use a soft brush on this type of flooring is it helps to get into the crevices of the floor and really pull out the dirt that's stuck in there. Again, we started by pre-treating the surface with E-cleaner. Then we used our low-speed rotary machine with a soft brush on it to help agitate the surface dirt. Then we sucked up the liquid, the E-cleaner, with the dirt with our wet vac.